Now, there is one single button that can 2 to 3x your entire business, but it doesn't even show up until after you've already made a sale. It's where the customer's credit card is saved on file, but with one beautifully simple click, it helps them buy again. This feature is called a one-click upsell, and after today, they are even more powerful than ever at growing your bottom line. For the past few weeks, a small group of SamCart sellers have been testing this new update, and it is increasing upsell conversions by 30 to 40%. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can take full advantage in the next few minutes. My name is Scott Moran. I'm the co-founder here at SamCart, where we have helped creators and entrepreneurs process more than $7 billion in sales of their own products, goods, and services. And a huge chunk of that revenue comes from using SamCart's one-click upsells, which is like having the power of Amazon in your own sales funnel, where your customers can add additional items to their order as they're checking out. It is one of the most powerful features that SamCart has, and a big reason why our sellers make 3 to 5 times more than people that sell on other platforms. So when our team discovered a simple change that was boosting upsell conversions by 30 to 40%, and in some cases literally doubling them, I knew that we had to build it into the platform. And that's where this brand new update comes from, called Smart Funnels. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how it works and how you can set it up. First, I'll explain how without them, you are leaving massive money on the table. Then I'll show you the concept behind Smart Funnels and why it works so well. And finally, we'll walk through how to set this up inside of SamCart. But before we start with that, if you're currently selling on a platform that doesn't offer one-click upsells, that is like the world's biggest red flag. Demand more from your e-commerce tool. You want to make real money. Get upsells. But if you're already using upsells today, here's what most tools do that actually costs you money. Customer buys your product. They see upsell A. They say yes, great. But if they say no, that's it. They're done. But the problem is you're showing the exact same upsell to everyone. So your best customers and your worst customers are both being shown the exact same offer. Think about that for a second. Every so often, your best customers are coming through and they are ready to go spend 2, 3, 4, 5 times more money. If all you did was just put something else in front of them, you might be capturing many times more revenue. When your best customers go through, if you don't give them a shot to spend more, then you're done. Your business can literally multiply just by giving your best customers a chance to go spend more. It's why every time you check out for an iPhone, there's all these upgrades that can 2 to 3x the price of the device you're trying to buy. How many recommended products does Amazon put right in front of you so that you have a chance to go spend more? So the question really is, what if you could customize your upsells so that each customer gets exactly what they are ready for? An offer that fits where they're at right now. That's exactly what Smart Funnels does. Smart Funnels is so powerful because it customizes the right offer to the right person at the right time. Instead of being one size fits all, buy, show them an upsell, and you're done, you create a decision tree. At every yes or no, you choose what that customer sees next. Here's how it works. Customer buys your course. You can show them upsell 1 for a service package. And if they say yes, why not go for your highest ticket offer, because that customer is in buying mode. But if they say no to the first upsell, instead of ending the funnel or shamelessly trying to sell them your highest stuff, maybe you show them lower priced offers. And by meeting that customer where they're at, you have a chance to 2 to 3x the profit you make from every single new customer. Smart Funnels allows you to create that path at every single yes or no decision. And it's all based on what the customer is actually telling you with their behavior. So the customer who wants to say yes, 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 and grab everything is going to be your absolute cash cow. But the customer who says no, no, yes, is telling you they're not ready for the high ticket stuff, but they are ready to spend more money. Customizing the offers to each buyer is why you're seeing 30 to 40% increases in upsell conversion rates. Some of our beta users have literally doubled the revenue from their upsell funnels without adding a single new product, just by letting Smart Funnels take care of the order. They just got smarter about which products are shown to which customers. All right, so let's go into SamCart and show you exactly how to set this up. It's easy, 4 quick steps. Step number 1, go to your Offers tab and create your upsells. Before you can build a smart funnel, you simply need to have your upsell offers created. These are just regular products in SamCart and a quick page that sells them. You might already have your upsells created, but if you've got a main product or 2 or 3 upsells you want to test, then you are ready to go. Step number 2 is to create a smart funnel. From that offer section, you're going to toggle over to funnels, and this is where you just decide which offers get shown in which order. And step number 3 is where you use the visual builder to map out your smart upsell funnel. This is my favorite part. You'll see that visual builder lets you lay out your entire upsell funnel. Upsell offer A and then B. If they say no, show them C, and you can decide in any branching order you want. So you start with your first upsell, your bread and butter, and then you choose if they say yes, what high ticket offer might I show them? Or if they say no, what low ticket offer might I put in front of that customer? At every yes or no decision tree, you get to decide what offer you want to show next, or if your upsell funnel is done and you want to stop right there. But the end result is you see the whole thing laid out in front of you. It looks like a map of every possible customer journey through your upsell flow. And here's a pro tip. Start simple. Even just one branch point, showing a different offer to people who say no instead of yes, can make a huge difference. You don't need a big complicated path with 15 upsell offers in every direction. 2 or 3 is going to do great. And then finally, step number 4, you want to go to your front-end product and attach this smart upsell funnel. So after someone buys your course, you launch them into the funnel you just created. But now every customer who buys will automatically go through your branching upsell sequence. And that's it. Your upsell funnel just got a whole lot smarter. Now, when I say these features can multiply the size of your business, I'm not just stating theory. The SamCart database shows that customers who use these features make 7 times more money than those who do not. And honestly, it makes sense when you think about it. You're not just asking people to buy one product at a time. You're putting the right offer in front of the right customer and letting your best customers go spend more. So that is Smart Funnels, a simple way to show the right upsell to the right customer at the right moment and capture a whole lot of extra revenue you otherwise are leaving on the table. If you're already using SamCart, Smart Funnels is live inside of your account right now. Go play with it. And if you're not selling on SamCart yet, I don't know what you're waiting for, but get one-click upsells, subscription saver, cart abandonment, and everything else SamCart has that grows your bottom line right now by heading over to samcart.com and opening up a free trial today. When your e-commerce gets a little bit smarter, your business will thank you. Adding these features to your business is like finding free money. Head over to samcart.com, try us out risk-free today.